if you have Apple AirPods, those wireless earbuds that use for listening to music, and you're curious about how the warranty works, you can definitely Google AirPod warranty service, and it'll take you to AirPod service and repair. And if you search for limited warranty, you'll find out that the limited warranty is 1 year. So if you damage your AirPods, typically that's not covered under warranty, and so for your limited warranty, it'll cost you $89 to replace basically the AirPods. Whereas if you had an Apple Care Plus, it only costs $29. So there's it's cheaper if you have Apple Care Plus. And so if you have a non AirPods Pro, it'll be a little cheaper at $69 to replace the AirPods. Now the battery service is a little weird because even though it's within a year, they say if your product is covered by Apple Care plan and holds less than 8% of its original capacity, you'll get battery service charge. Now, for the limited warranty, it doesn't really say what the conditions are, and it even mention it doesn't cover batteries that wear down from normal use. So, what do you call it? What if it's non-normal use? Because, I mean, like, let's say you only use it a little bit, and then within a year, the battery dies like crazy. So it's hard to know. I'm sure you have to contact customer support, but so if there's a issue with the battery, there may be no service cost, but if they deem that it's non-normal, I mean, if you've used it too much, then there's a $49 battery fee. And so, you remember before I talked about the repair cost for damaged AirPods? You're not really paying for repair, you're just paying for the AirPods themselves, because if you go down here to lost AirPods, you can see that, and even the charging case, a lost AirPod costs $89. And then the wireless charging case costs $99. So you can actually purchase these things separately out of warranty from Apple versus buying the whole package. So you can see here for non-AirPods Pro, the ones that's not a Pro, you can buy the AirPods for $69 or the charger case. And so you can buy that through Apple. I'm not sure how to contact them about it, but and that's it. So you just the thing that you'll need is the charging case, because it has your serial number on it, I guess. It says the serial number of your case is on the underside of the lid. The thing that worries me is they mention you need a proof of purchase, or the original AirPods box that came along with. So someone can answer me this if that's the case, because with the iPhone you don't need anything but the iPhone itself. So this sounds like you need proof of purchase and the charging case or the original AirPods box. So hopefully you still have that. You should have the charging case. So proof of purchase, maybe you have like an email or something. But having the original AirPods box, that might be difficult. So I'm not sure what the combination is. It's vague over here. So it says, so be sure to bring your charging case, proof of purchase, or original AirPods. So it seems like you might just need your charging case. So, and and so it says it takes a week to receive your replacement. So good luck. I don't know.